Hey, what's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I'm back with another quick video. And I'm actually about to set up a traffic order for a client, and I wanted to just shoot this little video, guys, and not to toot my own horn, but just really to show you some of the quality of traffic that I'm sending to some of my clients. So I just logged into my forms here. I have some different type things that I do. So I have 50% off traffic, which is my starter packages. I have my regular solo ads, and I have pay per lead traffic as well. So this particular person actually bought the starter package. This was their first time buying with me, and as you can see here, this guy, his name is Karim. He actually basically made a payment like a day ago, and he got the 50% off, to get 100 clicks. And he says, hey, send me, this is his link here, and I want to kind of show you guys the results. So if I actually go back, first of all, you can see that, this was a day ago, and then he just ordered another package 13 hours ago. You can see he ordered another one here. And then when I click in here, he actually left me some comments down here, and he says, "Brother John, I got 72 subscribers and 2 sales on my previous solo ad run. Here are the 2 sales that came in." And then right there, he actually kind of shows the sale. You receive an affiliate commission for $96.48 for this News Pro Fix Pro sale. I don't know what that is. And then you received an affiliate commission for $22.98 from a sale of this Unlimited Profits Edition something. He says, "Thank you, Karim." So again, guys, he spent $34, right? So this is kind of crazy, and this doesn't happen for everybody, but I mean, he spent $34, getting my little starter package 50% off. I'm running these specials for you guys because I'm a new solo ad vendor, and I want you guys to test it out, and I want you guys to trust me, and I want you guys to see that I deliver good quality traffic. But I mean, if you total that's about $120 here. And he spent $34. I mean, the guy, like 3.5 times his return on investment, almost 4 times his return on investment on 100 clicks, right? So if that does, and he got 72 subscribers that he's building his list, and he can mail these folks. So again, the proof is in the pudding. Like, the guy placed the order, you can see it here. Yesterday I ran it. It was all good. And then 13 hours ago, he was like, "Give me some more of that traffic, John." He was like, "I like that traffic by John because it's creating some sales and it's creating some subscribers." So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. If you guys want to try out my traffic, I'll have a link in the description. You guys can get started with the starter package as well, test it out. And then if you like the traffic, obviously you can always get more. But if you have any questions about the traffic, you can definitely shoot me an email. It'll be on the page. And I love to service you guys and do the best I can to bring you more leads and sales for your business. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.